Okay, guys, listen. Who is excited?
Me.
Why? Why are you excited, Solon?
Because we're in the box.
You heard that? Why are you excited, Autumn?
Because I love my box.
Yes. What are you happy about, Renee?
Red.
The phone?
Yeah.
What's your sister's phone?
Yeah, bye.
Oh. All right, get up. Too much. Okay, all right. Okay, so today we got a package in from The Good and the Beautiful. As everybody can see right here. The package condition was, this is gonna be Autumn's first year of homeschooling. And the package is a little beat up, so we just gotta hope that the contents are good. So let's find out. All right, let's see if we can do this with one hand. Be very careful. Gotta see if we can cut this thing open. Cut it open. Okay, cut the top open right here.
Mommy.
All right, turn it around.
Open it or take it off?
Turn it around. Do this side. All right, let's see. Put this knife down. In case everybody was wondering, hello, I'm Daddy. We already said that's Autumn, and we already said that's Solon, and Rainier's doing his own thing. He'll be back. Okay, look like nice packaging. Look like nice packaging. Look like they wrapped it in bubble wrap to keep everything safe. Okay, let's see if we can take this bubble wrap off. Oh my gosh, okay, they totally enclosed one in bubble wrap. We'll put that one over here. Okay, we got another box right here. Okay, looks like it made it pretty safe. That one's wrapped in a different type of bubble wrap. And the rest of the box just has bubble wrap and look like, let me see. It's hard to do this with one hand. All right, the bottom right here, look like we got something. Okay, we basically just got like a receipt or something. We'll get to that a little bit later. All right. So, let's see what we have right here, Autumn. Let's see. Okay, as everybody can see, this says The Good and the Beautiful Math K. Okay, let's go ahead and open that one up first. Go ahead and open that one up, Autumn.
Okay.
Now we decided to start off with Math K just to make sure that the foundation for math is in place, because it's easy to get caught a little bit off guard, and once you're behind, the struggle is real. So we're trying to avoid that. Okay, all right, take your time. You want to let Solon do it a little bit? Solon, you want to help?
Do it?
Come on, help. Take your time. It's not just y'all open this like it's a gift on Christmas. Okay, there you go. All right, that's the first one. Let's leave it closed. All right, that's the front. That's how the side looks. That's how the other side looks. And that's how, move your finger in there so I can see it. Okay, so everybody can see it. Okay, so this is The Good and the Beautiful Math K. Okay, right here it says the contents are one number 1 through 6 die, one number 7 through 12 die, 2 equation die, 2 pawns, 3 cars, and 15 counting sticks. Okay. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Go ahead and open that one up. Let's see what's in there.
This one's for a game.
Okay. Okay, so what we got in here is,
It's a game.
this is the stuff that we just saw in the back. It's like little cards and, the stuff that we just said. But we're going to use these things to learn how to count. I like the fact that this little finger hole right here, you just put your finger in there so you can slide it back in there. There you go. All right. Let's see. Let's open up this next one. Let's put this one right here. Okay. Put this one right here. Go ahead and open the, it's tape right there. Just, there you go. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Hold that, Solomon.
Factory.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah, there's some bubble wrap. They did some overall good job on the packaging. All right. So let's be careful when we open this one because we don't want to mess this up either. So Daddy, open this one. All right. Ooh. Handwriting. Handwriting. Okay, put that one to the side. Okay. Handwriting level 1. Okay, what does this one say? The good and the simply. Good and beautiful math K. Okay. All right, that's the math book. Okay. All right, put this down. All right. So, what do you think about this, Autumn? Do you think do you like the way that it came packaged? You like the way it looks? You think you're gonna be able to learn your math?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. What do you think, Sonny? Thumbs up, thumbs down?
Dad.
Thumbs up? Yeah. Cool. Thumbs up, Rainier? Oh yeah, thumbs up. Okay. All right. So listen, we're gonna start off with a little short flip through of the handwriting level 1 from the good and the beautiful. It's a nice texture on this manual here. This is second edition, as you can see. Overall, like the presentation. We'll make a separate video going into a little bit more detail of each book. But for now, we'll just show you briefly before we cut this video short. Okay, so listen. All right, so everybody pay attention. This is going to be Math K. Now the Math K, to accompany this manual, we also have the Math K extras. And these will be used to go with the curriculum, okay? What do you guys think?
I like it.
You like it? Hey, we haven't even got started yet, so you like it?
Good.
Okay, you like it, Renee?
Yes.
I like that answer. Okay, guys, we're about done here. Thank you for giving us a little bit of your time. We will get back with you on our next video where we will get into actually flipping through and getting into more of the meat and potatoes of each manual. And until next time, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and we will see you next time. Who are we? We are us.
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 Peace. Bye.